gentlemen, this is a most unfortunate event. Please be assured that everything that can be done is being done. And I thank you for your patience. I thank you for remaining where you are for the moment, whilst we all come to terms with what has happened. The management team of the air show are now going about their various emergency stations. There are set procedures in force in the event of an incident. Tabletop exercises, as they're called, are run, and various scenarios are practiced before an air show these days, and those are now being put into action. We have, for the time being, stopped any further airshow flying. I stress that's a temporary stop. It may be extended, but for the moment there will be no more flying. Might I suggest, and as the Sea Vixen flies in salute overhead, the Sea Vixen with Simon Hargreaves, has come all the way from Bournemouth to be here. He's flying over in relatively silent tribute to our fallen colleague. We are, of course, unaware at this stage of any injuries that might occur or have occurred on the ground.
Fire engine, yeah. They're going to help.
I thank you for your courteous applause, and I know that that is directed at those people unfortunate enough to have been involved in this tragic incident.